what's up everyone? Welcome to the channel. Hiro here from First Time Recycling. Today we're doing another maintenance video. You see I have my mountain bike here. We're not out in the mountains right now because fires are still going on. It's very smoky. It's just bad quality air. I just don't want to be out there right now. And anyways, today I'm going to be cleaning my chain on this bike and my road bike. It's been something that I've been putting this off for a while. I've usually just spray it down and just scrub it with a brush, one of these brushes, to try and get the gunk out, but that's pretty much the lazy way. There is a better way to clean the chain, and for that method you need what's called Park Tool CM 5.2 chain scrubber. I'll put the link in the description. So with that, you gotta get the cleaning fluid, which is CB-4 Bio Chain Bright, also from Park Tool. You probably have, there's other brands out there and I've searched for them. I've seen knockoffs try to copy Park Tool, but I've read reviews where it just opens up and just spilt all over, and you know, just bad reviews. So you know, those kind of things, I'd rather buy what's good. Just like, you know, on our previous episode where I got Stan's No Tubes kit, everything. So like I said before, I'm a brand whore. So when I know that something's good, especially quality tools, that's what I would go for. So yes, this along with the scrubber, which I already showed you, or the brush, you could use that to clean the chain rings, all the little gunk and everything. This is also from Park Tool, and this is called a GSC-I gear clean from Park Tool. And you don't have to get this, but I just recommend it. It's called a dummy hub, DH-1 or DH-I, also from Park Tool. It allows you to remove the rear tire along with the chain ring. You just remove the rear tire and you use this in place of it to have the chain right along it. So that way, you know, you can take your tire off, and all the contaminants that you use or anything that comes off of the chain doesn't hit the chain ring or the rim, just to, you know, keep things clean. And you could also, since you're going to take off the rim, you could take it outside, spray it down, clean all the gunk that's in between the chain rings. So that's what I'm going to do. So since these products that I've purchased for a while now, I haven't been open, I'm going to do a little unboxing here. So yeah, let's get to it. They made it easy to open. You don't even need a razor blade. Very nice. I like that. So there's a little brush here. Looks like a little brush here, and scrubbers. Seems pretty self-explanatory. I could see that the chain rides along here. Enter, exit, and then you just pedal. It says right there, pedal backwards. All right. Keep that just in case. Cool. I'll have to mess with this on the bike to see how it really fits, but you can tell the quality. It's built nice. Like, if you just look at it, there's no burrs or anything. Where is this made? Made in USA. If you guys wanted to know, it's made in USA. Method 1, you use this skewer that connects to this side where the derailleur is, just like that. And the second method is how you saw before, where you actually use your own skewer that goes all the way across, and then you use the dummy hub sliding along that skewer. So that's the method that I'm gonna have to do, because it looks like this is not gonna work. Well, that's good to know. So there's the fill line. Need to go like so. And clamp that down. If done correctly, this shouldn't be a messy job, but just in case, I've laid down towels. If you do this outside, a recommendation is to wet the ground so it's easier to clean all the grime and gunk that comes out. So, rotate backwards. Ew, can you guys see that? Look in here. This used to be clear fluid. Now I can see it's just cloudy and I can see all the gunk on the bottom. This magnet's supposed to catch any metal particles. Ew, the more I run, the darker that fluid gets. Okay. Well, since the chain is going through the fluid, it actually takes some of the fluid out with it. So it that's why it can make a mess, and that's why it's a good thing to lay at least a towel down or be outside when you're doing this. Somewhat messy, but what's coming out is crazy clean. I could see the chain, how clean it is right now. So you guys, not to excuse myself from being a total noob at this, I watched a video from Park Tool before doing this, just to get a heads up of what to expect. But man, I gotta say, watching those videos and doing it yourself are two different things. They make it look super easy. I mean, I'm not saying this is hard. This is pretty easy, but doing it for the first time is totally different. It's totally different. Okay, so this is that dirty fluid in there. Oh, nasty stuff. I'm just gonna pour it in a cup. So once you drain all that out, you're supposed to get some soapy water, which I have in this bucket right here. And I'm gonna just keep it at the fill line. All right, see how clean that is? See if we can get a little more gunk off. After this round, I'm just gonna use a rag here and then dry the chain. All right, here we go. See if any more gunk comes out. Oh, there's more coming out. Man. Oh man, look how clean the chain is. It looks like a brand new chain, how shiny it is. It's amazing. Look at that. Oh, it's still dirty. I mean, this is all the stuff that's still left on it. Can you see that? Wow. I'm amazed. All right, so I got my Park Tool brush here. Let's see if I can get some grime out, if there is any. All right. 100 inch-pounds. That's it for me. So what I have here, Squirt, long-lasting dry lube, reduces chain suck, improves shifting, reduces friction. This is a wax-based. Look at how clean that chain is. Talking about brand spanking new looking. All right, you guys, that'll do it for the day. I'm gonna be jumping over to the road bike, but I'm not gonna record all that. It was a first time experience for me. I mean, I'm sure you guys saw me struggle here. This bike, I've never taken off the rear tire, so it was kind of a learning experience for me. This thing, since it's a Di2 or electronic shifting, it has a lock here for the derailleur. You have to unlock that in order to make it to get it free. Then you can, and not like the front where it has a quick release skewer. This one you have to actually get an Allen, which 5mm Allen screw, a wrench, and then actually back it out that way. And then the skewer will come out, the wheel will come out. Then I have to use that with the dummy wheel in order to use the chain cleaning tool. Hopefully you guys learned something, because I sure did. Hope you guys enjoyed as well. If you guys liked the video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Again, we're most likely going to continue mountain biking next week. We still have one more session we need to do in Topanga State Park. Hopefully that downhill is open. I've been hearing rumors that it's open, so I'm really hoping so, because that's really what we wanted to show you before we venture out into other cities and mountain trails. So yeah, make sure to hit that like again. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hiro from First Timer Cycling out.